Dr. Pardesai is there with me today with Perini Zagar. His monumental monograph published by Government of Goa, Directorate of Art and Culture yesterday in a glittering function with an exhibition of the very rare wooden handcrafted ancient masks organized. Today is the last day of this Perini Zagar dance drama masks, ethnic masks. We have worked on these projects for almost 25-30 years since he submitted a project to Ministry of Culture, Government of India to do field-based documentation and analysis of this rare and one of the most endangered folk dance drama. Today, we are sitting with his books here, which is culmination of a big project. 25 years it has taken to improvise, revise, edit and find a good publisher, and he almost came to a conclusion that this book will not get published so easily, but ultimately Art and Culture Department stepped in, and after spending almost 2 years, this book has seen the light of the day. I would request Dr. Pardesai here to say a few words, because we are sitting in front of our building here at St. Joseph Tower, Ansabad, Mapsa. He is also not keeping well. I am also not keeping well. I have a minor tooth infection, and despite his very hectic schedule and on the verge of recovery from a long illness, a liver issue or something, he has shown extreme tenacity and energy and enthusiasm to attend the function yesterday, and it was one of the finest book release function by Directorate of Art and Culture. सो तुका आता ह्या पुस्तक आता आमी एक निमाणे आमचो एक यज्ञ सोंपलो अशें दिसता, जाल्यार कितें दिसता आता तुका आता हें पुस्तक म्हाका प्रेजेंट करता आसतना दोतोर पडलेसाय?
म्हाका खरें म्हळ्यार एक जिवनाचें
सार्थक जालें, करेक्ट. आणि त्या कलाकाराचे खंय ना खंय तरी आमी एक
कलाकारांचे बद्दल तर कृतज्ञता
हय, आनी त्या शिवाय ताका युनेस्कोच्या लेवलचेरय आमी हेरिटेज पॉलिसीन ते मेन्शन केलां. So we have already included, he was the chairman of the drafting panel of Goa State Heritage Policy, the first heritage policy in India after independence, and one of the very few heritage policies in Asia and in the world as per the UNESCO norms, conventions and charters. And in the policy, the entire mechanism and recommendations of how to go about a UNESCO level heritage tag for this Goa Perini Zagar has been included, and it has been accepted by the cabinet and notified in the official gazette on 1st July by Government of Goa. So this 10 years heritage policy, let us hope that UNESCO heritage tag for intangible heritage will be granted to this most endangered dance, folk dance drama of India, right? So I think you are sure that one day it will get the UNESCO heritage tag, right?
Certainly, I am confident.
So I think is a long voyage of long journey of last 30-40 years of working very closely. He has seen many of these Perini Zagar folk artists performing before him, then leaving this world after he interviewed them, and I think there is a big list of Perini Zagar performers, but very few may be alive today, right?
Yes.
So only few of families are remaining, and they are finding it extremely difficult because it needs lot of patronage and Guru Shishya Parampara, and just like Yakshagan was revived in Karnataka, Perini Zagar has to also be revived, and it need not be only be performed by the traditional artist, but the new artist also from any community and all, because it is the narrative which is important, and it is the performance which is very important, and then it is the place of the performance and the season and the time of the performance which is also important.
Yes, actually I was really indebted. Yesterday there were many families family members of Perni families. They were there. They attended the function. Some of them they were felicitated by the government, offering shawl and bouquet of flowers,
Good, very good.
and along with a copy of the book. They were very happy.
I'm especially happy that main leader and an experienced person like Dr. Ramesh Tavadkar took keen interest, because in his own area he has also promoted tribal art and folk dances and various types of festivals he has promoted. So you are also from Kankona Taluka, he is your MLA also.
Yes.
So I think it was a very good coincidence and combination yesterday.
Our honorable minister
Yeah.
also had mentioned that, and also I was with his good words. He said, I am one of the persons who took the traditional art forms of Goa uh, in foreign
international
countries
level.
and international level.
True.
And
what is interesting, Dr. Faldesa, is that both of you had worked for a very reputed institution in Kankona, right?
yes, yes,
You worked at Sardananda, he also has worked at Sardananda.
yes.
So
He was
you are
also-
both employees of Sardananda, so it is a great merit for that institution also,
Yes, yes.
and also for Taluka. So what is your message to the young generation? Because we will not be sitting often here in Mapsa in Ansabat and talking like this. This is a very rare occasion. So for young generation of research scholars, students, teachers, and also
They
those.
should come forward to take this study further, and also uh, they should encourage the young generations to take up further study, as well as the performing art form also in some other way, maybe in Jagar form, or based on Jagar style. There can be another productions also, which will prove the antiquity, as well as the future of this art form.
So it needs lot of effort, lots of study, in-depth study,
Yes.
not just something superficial.
Yeah.
So they have to go around, they have to do field work, they have to document, they have to meet people,
Certainly.
they have to analyze the form, and most important, you recommend that they should read
Yeah.
this book,
Yes.
right?
Yes.
So I think it is a great day for both of us, because we have worked on this project for 25 years.
Yes.
Every moment, every minute, every day that I spent at your place, and also in your office and at Goa University, I remember thinking about revision of the script. And it was a great privilege and honor to write a preface for the book, because such an anthropological work needs a lot of expertise. But I believe that
Yesterday's chief guest also,
Yeah.
not a guest of honor, special speaker was invited from Bhopal,
I see.
Dr. Sangeeta Gundecha. She
Yeah.
also mentioned about your preface,
Good.
and certain points were highlighted in her speech.
Excellent. So I believe that there is a still lot of scope. Again, I will study this book, which we have really taken pains to edit properly. But in the light of now the United Nations interest, UNESCO interest in such type of dance drama, there are many which have got a intangible UNESCO heritage tag. I will be able to now compare and contrast where Perni Jagar stands in relation to those which are already inscribed by the UNESCO. But together, I think now, as we close this impromptu, last minute TV interview or discussion, let us say, that let us work together to see to it that Government of Goa and Ministry of Culture does something just like we are doing it for Theatra, another, opera like modified from Italian opera, but totally vernacular, totally indigenous now. More than 125 years old Theatra dance. This theatre is now working in the direction of getting a UNESCO tag. Most of the preparation is there, and within a year or two, I think Government of India will be able to follow it up. So in the same way, let us start now with the book as a documentation, which can go to UNESCO.
Yes.
And on basis of that, I think our case is very solid now.
Yes.
Understood. So, congratulations. This is a great achievement of your life. and your work and your scholarship and your dedication. It is a moment of pride for Goa and the nation also, because you have done excellent contribution by gifting our state and the country and the world forward visionary model Goa State Heritage Policy 2025, which will definitely usher in cultural democracy and help to protect our cultural and natural heritage for decades to come. And that sends a loud and clear message to young generation of Goa and India that feel proud about your civilization, feel proud about your cultural heritage, and conserve, preserve, and protect what remains, right?
Yes, yes.
Okay, thank you very much,
Thank you.
Doctor, for giving me this time and opportunity to record you. Thank you very much.